I've did 3 different videos with Newt Sterling. Most of y'all are going to know who Newt Sterling is. He's a master snareman from Jersey. He's also a professional turtle trapper. So we did some videos. The first one we did was utterly simple. This covers several different states, several different types of terrain, several different between marshes and creeks and swamps and big rivers, fish ponds, the whole 9 yards. If you want to really know how to go out and hammer otter, because otter prices are coming on really strong. They're already in the $50 and $60 range, and they're probably going to be in the $80 range this year. So if you're wanting to know how to catch those with everything from snares to footholds to conibears and do it in a very fast manner, utterly simple, with Newt Sterling and me, will definitely get you in the right direction. This is a 2-hour video. The second one me and Newt did was rivering. Now we went out on a boat. Now what makes this a little different than most rivering type videos, you go out and you're after beaver, you're after coon, you're after mink or something like that. Not only do we go after the water animals of the raccoon and the beaver, we're also at the same time, and we're going to show you our system where we're going out and we're taking coyotes and red fox and bobcats out of the boat at the same time as the water animals, how we integrate those together, how efficient this system is. And with the price of fuel the way it's going, it's really going to make it less expensive for trappers to rack up on fur. The last one that we did was turtles by the ton. Newt has been in the turtle business for a long time. We went to North Carolina, took 1,000 pounds of turtles in just 2 days. We show you how we did that. It's from road trapping to boat trapping, ponds. We also use hooks, cages, hoops. Show you how to revive turtles, how to dress the turtles, cook the turtles, the whole 9 yards. This 2-hour video is with me and Newt, and it's turtles by the ton. And if no one's ever seen a video by Newt Sterling, I promise you he's highly entertaining. Just seeing a grown man like Newt when he does his turtle dance and his otter dance is worth the price of these videos alone. Very entertaining with Newt, still a lot of tremendous information. Most everyone out there has heard of Randy Smith from Pennsylvania. We helped him get this video together and get it out. We're the distributors of it. I'm not the one making these videos per se. They're Randy's videos, but he's got one that is coyotes and combines. Randy is a trapping machine, guys. If you ever get to meet him or take instruction from him or watching the video, he's just a machine. And he shows you this system he's got that allows him in mud and snow and everything else to go in eastern type conditions in the combines and coyotes. He takes 180 coyotes in about 2 weeks. You see an actual quad catch, 4 coyotes at one location with Randy's system. Tremendous information. Now we also did with Randy Boars Gone Wild, which to me is a revolutionary style raccoon trapping video, for the simple fact most guys think that raccoons hold up when it gets cold. That's just when Randy gets started raccoon trapping. He's taken 500 and 700 raccoons in Pennsylvania now, in the east, when it's all below freezing, snow and ice on the ground. That's when Randy goes out and trapping. A little bit different system he's got, a little bit different strategy, but it works for the cold temperature. So when prices are right, there's no reason to stop just because the temperature drops. Boars Gone Wild will get you catching raccoons when everybody else is at home thinking about trapping next year. Boars Gone Wild, tremendous video for any raccoon trapper that's in the east and traps where it's cold. Last product I want to talk about on the catalog is our essential oils, lure and bait making supplies that we have. This is something somewhat new. We started selling them last year. We're slowly building our inventory over time because I want to make sure that I can get the quantity enough to sell to guys that want to make their own lure and keep it at the same quality that we use in our personal lures we sell at Predator Control Group. Now there's a ton of difference in essential oils that you buy. They come from different suppliers. The biggest thing is if they're just getting watered down and cut to death. Our essential oils, just like our lures, are going to be a little bit more expensive, but the quality is there. The consistency is there and the power is there. It's the same thing we use in formula for our lures, like I said. I do want to take just a minute and explain a few of the products we have. There is some differences besides the quality all the way across the board. The Tonquin, this is one that I make myself here in the shop. This smells like the true authentic Tonquin of back in the 40s and 50s. It's not the perfume trade's idea of the clear Tonquin. Totally different. So if you're using that other stuff in a formula, you want to play with it. It's extremely powerful. A little bit goes a long way. The other thing we have is our Amberette Special. This is a lot different than your regular Amberette, guys. It smells just like muskrat glands. I show how to make it in the lure and bait making video. If you want to just purchase it from me, we have it available to you. That's Amberette Special. It's got the same chemical makeup, the same chemicals that drive animals crazy with muskrat musk. That's in Amberette Special. Totally different, just Amberette that everybody else sells. Another one that I've just had so many testimonials come back on is our Asafoetida. This is from True Gum. It's not powder. There is a huge difference, and it's so strong. But all of our essential oils are top notch. They're consistent and they're quality. So if you're wanting to get into the lure and bait making, or you want to do it as a hobby, if you start with junk material, you're going to have a junk product. So if you want a quality material, Predator Control Group will help you get there. Well, we're at the end of our 2011-2012 Predator Control Group video catalog. We'll say thank you for watching. If you have any questions, you can PM me on Wolfer Nation. You can email me at clint@wolfernation.com. Call me at 423-949-5273. If you have a more general question, get on Wolfer Nation, sign in, get a username, then you can post it on the forum and you can get a lot of different feedback from a lot of different trappers. Appreciate your time. If we see you at a convention, or you see us at a convention, please come up, let me know who you are, shake your hands. I'd love to meet you. Happy trapping. We'll see you in the mud of the next spur season.